welcome back. It's Miss May here, One Fab Teacher. So this video, y'all, is going to be a quick video and it's going to be to the point. I get this question asked in my emails, in my comment sections of different videos. Miss May, what would you suggest I purchase as a brand new teacher? What would be the most important items to purchase as a brand new teacher? I'm here to tell you, and I'm going to give you 5 things that I feel like are the most important things that you should purchase as a brand new teacher. So I wish I had this when I first started out 17 years ago, because I bought everything under the sun. My dad purchased so much stuff for me. A lot of the stuff I used, but there was so much that I really didn't use either. So starting off as a brand new teacher, I would definitely invest in a very good printer. I have a printer that I will link in the description box below, but I have a printer that is amazing. I wish I had a good printer starting out from the gate. I can't tell you how much you will print, you know, just how much you will need a printer in your life as a teacher, your own personal printer. Yes, I use the printers at my school, but I use a lot of my own use from my own personal printer. So I would invest in a very good printer. I have the HP NV 4520. I've had this printer for about 5, almost 6 years now, and it's been amazing. I feel like I'm almost on the verge of a new printer, but she has done me so well. And along with the good printer comes number 2, you need HP Instant Ink. Let me tell you guys, I'm not sponsored by HP. I just absolutely love this program because I have been with this program now for just as long as I've had my printer. It's a program that will save you hundreds, let me tell you, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars in ink. It's a great program. You can choose from $5 a month to $10 a month and so on. I personally use the $10 a month. I have for the past 5+ years, and it's been perfect for me. More information, I'll put a link in the description box about that, but make sure you invest in a great printer that supports the HP Instant Ink, because if you have a printer that supports the program, then it's that your printer will send HP all the information about your printer. Like when you need more ink, they just boom automatically ship you more ink, and you only pay X amount of dollars a month. It's like, y'all, it's amazing. So those 2 things are definitely a must purchase. Invest in a good printer and invest in HP Instant Ink. You will love it. So those are my first 2 things. Next, I would definitely invest in a laminator, and not one, but I would do 2. I would have one for home, and then I would have another for school. My school does laminating. There's certain things that I don't mind that the school does. It's quick, boom, you know, it's kind of flimsy. You know, I use the school laminator sometimes, but oftentimes I use my own personal laminator because I love laminating certain things that I want to keep for a while. Math games, reading games, all different types of things that are hands-on for my kiddos that I don't want to ruin quickly. I love using 5 mil laminating sheets. 3 mil is good, but 5 mil, whew, it keeps it very sturdy, like very, very, very sturdy. So I suggest that you purchase and invest in 2 laminators, one for home and one for school, because I came across where I found myself when I just had one that I would transport it from home to school, and it's just more junk. I'm just, you know, bringing back and forth. That's just driving me crazy. And it's just simple and easy, because if I'm laminating at home and I'm like, oh, I can do this on my planning or when I get a free moment, I'm gonna just take these sheets to school, boom, you're good to go. So definitely invest in a laminator. They have so many different, like they have them at Target, they have them at Walmart, of course Amazon. I'm gonna link mine and others down in the description box below for you. They can be fairly cheap, like 20 bucks. I mean, they're a great investment, honestly. So HP printer with HP Instant Ink, the program. a laminator or two. And then next, I would definitely start generating a like Amazon wish list for books, picture books, book series, National Geographics, just any type of books, magazines that you can get your hands on, get your hands on. You can never have too many books. I would create an Amazon wish list of all your books and like send your link out to your friends, your family. You know, they can send it out to people they know that just want to purchase it for you, and you can have it shipped right to your house. And voila, before you know it, you have lots and lots of books. I love reading picture books to my kids. I love reading series books to my kids. I love reading to my kids, and they love it. Ooh, that scared me, y'all. You definitely want to invest in a lot of books. I can't stress that enough to you. Whether you teach reading, writing, math, science, whatever you teach, you can always use books in your teaching. So definitely invest in books. Start building your classroom library. So that's number 4. Lastly, number 5, what I would truly invest in are bookshelves. I would definitely invest in some really good bookshelves. I personally have the IKEA bookshelves. I'll put a link in the description box, but they have been amazing. I will say they don't have a backing to them, but my shelves, they're always up against the wall. I don't have them in an L shape or anything, which you could if you want to, but just know these that I'm going to link don't have a backing, but they've been amazing. My classroom isn't quite as big, so I only have 2, but I definitely would love 3, possibly 4. 4 is my goal to have. But right now at the moment, it just wouldn't function with my classroom. But definitely invest in good bookshelves, because you need somewhere to place all those amazing books, or even just for, you know, math materials, whatever the case may be. Invest in some very good bookshelves. You will not be disappointed. Those are my 5 things, y'all, that I would definitely invest in. And I say the bookshelves because I can remember first starting off and like not having the right size bookshelves, or having raggedy bookshelves, or fighting for certain bookshelves. Nobody has time for that. Just get yourself some nice, good bookshelves. I know people buy like couches and certain chairs and all this stuff for their classroom, and that's great, but before you do all that, make sure you have yourself some good bookshelves. You will not regret it. You will be so thankful. Maybe it could be like a Christmas present or a birthday present, something early for you, or a congratulations note for you. But I would definitely invest in good bookshelves. All right, loves, I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. As always, don't forget to always pray, because God will always make a way. I love you guys. Bye.